Hi everyone, welcome back in the third video of this playlist. In this video, we are going to create the create account page. In previous video, if I show you what we have done, so if I go to the auth/login, so in previous video we have created this login page. If you have not watched, you can go and watch this video. And in today's video, if I click on this sign up button, so we need a proper animation and the create account screen. So today in this video we are going to create the same. So let's continue our project. So inside this is our app structure, and inside auth I will create one more folder with the name sign in, or okay, sign up, sorry, okay, sign up. And I want that these files need to be same, okay. So what I will do right now, I will copy these, like copy, and I will paste these in sign up page. Okay, same I will do for css also, copy and paste. Okay, the code is same as it is what it was in previous video. We will do slightly some changes but not that much. Okay, so what are the changes, and what are those, we will see in this video. Okay, so now here you can see. Okay, first we will move to sign up button. Okay, so now first let's change this to auth/login or sign up. Okay, we will come here, and here we will change the path, auth/sign up, the perfect. Okay, perfect. Now if I click on it, should redirect me and it should work also. Sign up, perfect. It is working and it has redirected me to that sign up page also. If you have seen this, it was login before. If I change to login, and if I again click here sign up here, then it will redirect me to the sign up page. Okay, cool, perfect, this is fine. Now what we want, first of all, we want that this one portion should come this side, and this box should come to this side. So for this we will do slightly some change in the file. We will copy this one code, and we will paste it after here, control V. Okay, so why we are doing, so that it can come on a perfect way. Okay, now what we need here, uh, let's copy this input tag. Okay, two more time. So now I need email. Okay, so I will say placeholder as email, and I will make it as a text as sorry, type as email. Now next I need a mobile number. Okay, so the placeholder will be mobile, and like type will be number. Okay, and the password, that's fine, and text will be sign up. Okay, so SIGNUP. Okay, sign up, type is perfect. One sec, what I'll open, omg. Okay, next we are saying that's fine, forgot password will not be here, I will remove it. And don't have an account. Okay, we have an account. Now I need to change this one text to already have an account. Okay, already have an account. Okay, and perfect, now we are clicking on it, and now we need to redirect it to the login screen, or one sec, login screen, and the text here should be, instead of sign up, sign in. Perfect, now let's see an output. Perfect, we are getting everything fine. This should be, instead of login, create account, so we will change it to create uh, account. Okay, now perfect, now we need everything fine. If I click here, it should redirect me, perfect. And if I click here, come back, perfect. Now I need to style some css for this. Okay, so what I will do, so first I will make this height as 100 vw. Okay, height as 100 vw. Next background is perfect, this is perfect. Okay, width I will say it's is 50 vw. Now next to that position, instead of relative I will say absolute, so that we can bring this one well to the right side. And after that I will say z index is fine, but I want it on the right side, so I will say right equals to 0. And box shadow fine, transition is fine, and animation window change, this one is change fine, revert is there. Now I want width change. Width will be 100 perfect, and 250 perfect, and radius is perfect. Now next, when revert 50 it is fine, this is also fine. And okay, a welcome text we are saying 5 rem perfect, 15. And after that we want text align to be right side. If I show you right now, it's looking too weird, correct? Like, it's looking too weird. So now what I need, I will say that text align to be, sorry, text align to be right. Okay, sorry. Okay, right. Now next I want an animation to the text, and the animation should be slide in, and that's, I want it to be 5. Like 50 will be like more, but I want it 5. Okay, margin left 5 perfect. Now I want to margin here also, I will change 5. Okay, now cool. Now next, the keyframe for slide out to 5. I will change this also to 5, and the margin right 50 VW. After that we are saying form container. Instead of making its position as absolute, I will remove the position absolute. Flex is fine, width is fine, align item and justify content right. Now if position is removed, right should also be removed. Okay, perfect. After that, login form, and in login form I will say display flex is fine, flex direction column is fine, align item center is fine, justify content is okay, fine, and border radius perfect, and padding perfect. After that, okay, that's fine. Okay, now let's check. So currently we are getting, but we need to change the border also. So if I refresh it, okay, our perfect animation is applying perfectly. So now if I come here, and again I will generate a custom border radius css. Okay, so I will come to this site. In previous video also we have generated the from same okay. If I do it like this, and like this, sorry, okay, like this, okay, just a little bit down, or slightly top. Okay, let me make it somehow. Okay, let me adjust it. Okay, um, okay, I will make it here, and I will make it here. Okay, I will now copy the border, and I will paste the border wherever I have applied here. Okay, maybe two places. Okay, first one is this. I will remove this one, I will paste. I will remove this one, and I will paste. Okay, cool, perfect. Now if I come here, then it's looking perfect, cool. But the thing is, the height is coming too weird. Like, it's something which is too annoying. Okay, now input tag, we need to change a little bit to input tag also. So what I will do, I will make input tag. Okay, let's first go to input tag. This is an input tag. Instead of margin 20, I will say margin 10, so that it can look some perfect. Okay, now the thing is, we are getting a lot of margin at the top. Okay, so let's inspect this, like inspect it, and let's see why we are getting so. It is saying perfect 100 svh. But why? This is a logging page. It is saying 100 vw. Sorry, my bad, I have given its head to be 100 vw, so it should be svh, by the way, svh. And if I come here right now, so it is something like this. Instead of welcome, I will change its text to join us. Okay, so I will come here, and I will change its text to join us. Okay, perfect. It is not reflected, by the way. Okay, join us had been reflected, but the thing is, this text is not coming. Okay, so what I will say, margin right probably I can give to this welcome text. So welcome text, margin, instead of left I will say margin right. Okay, and it should come little bit slide. Okay, perfect. Now if I refresh, it will, the animation is perfectly working. If I click sign up here, and perfect. If I click sign up here, perfect, create account is also perfectly working, sign up. Okay, so that's all guys. In this video we have created a create account page, and in next video we will see if I click on this forgot password button, so what will happen. We will create a forgot password screen, and we will see how we can more make this project. So stay tuned with us guys, and thank you.